Hi, Bella.
Hi, Mommy.
What did you just see?
King of God.
A picture that Aunt Trina sent you? What's so funny about it? Why are you laughing so much? What was on the puppy? Mustaches?
Yeah.
A real one, though, wasn't it? It was funny, wasn't it? You still sleepy?
Oh, I got cookies.
Oh, yuck. Crusties. Love you.
I like you too.
What did you say to Aunt Trina for thinking of you when she sent that? Love you?
I
Yeah?
like you too.
And what else?
Thank you.
There you go. Bye.
Bye. Hope you had a nice weekend.
I hope you have a nice weekend.
Alrighty.
Bye.